subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo sub-brand Realme has finally launched its new affordable smartphone called Realme C11. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C11 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 88.7% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by latest MediaTek Helio G35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme C11 features dual camera setup on the rear in a square module that includes 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch with f2.4 aperture, and additionally it also supports face unlock system for authentication. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 with Realme UI skin on top, and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.9 by 9.1mm and it weighs around 196 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C11 has been priced in Malaysia at 429 Malaysian ringgits and it will go on sale starting from July 6th in the country in mint green and pepper grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C11 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.